Hello and welcome. This is a gentle 8-minute full-body workout designed for seniors, folks age 60 and up, to help build strength with no equipment at all. We'll cover arms, legs, core, and balance with easy-to-follow moves. Remember to move at a comfortable pace and keep breathing steadily. We'll start with a warm-up and end with a cool-down, which experts recommend. These gentle exercises can help you rebuild strength and improve balance. As you exercise, listen to your body. Sip water if you need a break, and pause anytime. Let's begin by warming up our muscles. March in place. Start marching gently in place, lifting your knees as high as is comfortable. Swing your arms lightly. Keep your back straight and breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This raises your heart rate gradually. After about 15 seconds, stop marching. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders backward in smooth circles 5 times, then forward 5 times. This warms up your shoulders and upper back. Keep breathing normally. Neck and arm stretches. Gently tilt your head toward your left shoulder. Feel a light stretch on the right side of your neck, then switch sides. Next, extend your arms out to the sides and make small forward arm circles for 15 seconds, then reverse for 15 seconds. Finally, reach one arm across your chest and hold it with the other arm for about 15 seconds on each side to stretch the shoulder. Final warm-up. End with a few side bends or torso twists. Stand tall, place your hands on your hips, and slowly twist your torso left and right, or reach one hand overhead and lean to the opposite side. This wakes up your obliques and hips. Great job warming up! Now your muscles are ready. We'll move into our exercises. Alright, let's try standing knee raises to work your core and hips. First, stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. You can rest one or both hands lightly on the back of a chair or against a wall for balance. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and your back is straight. Now, lift your right knee up toward your chest as high as feels comfortable for you, then lower it down. Next, lift your left knee. Keep alternating knees in a gentle marching motion. Remember to engage your abs as you pull each knee up. Just imagine you're trying to lightly touch your knee to your chest each time. Continue alternating at a slow and steady pace for about 30 to 40 seconds. So roughly 10 to 15 lifts per side. And don't forget to breathe steadily. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. This move works your lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors, and it also helps improve your balance. Plus, it'll raise your heart rate just a bit. If lifting your knees high is tough, just lift to a height that feels comfortable for you. Use the chair for support if you need it. Good work. Keep your core engaged. Alright, let's get started with some arm circles to wake up those shoulders and upper back. Stand or sit up nice and straight, and extend both arms out to your sides at shoulder height, palms facing down. Remember to keep your knees soft and your back tall. Now, start making small forward circles with your arms, almost like you're drawing circles in the air. Keep going for about 15 seconds. Next, let's reverse the direction and make small backward circles for another 15 seconds. Now make those circles a little bigger going forward for 15 seconds, and then backward for another 15 seconds. Keep the movement controlled, and try to keep your core tight. Don't shrug your shoulders. Relax them down, away from your ears, and look straight ahead. And don't forget to breathe normally. Arm circles are a gentle way to warm up and strengthen your shoulder and upper back muscles. They help improve your shoulder mobility and posture. Excellent! You can really feel your arms and upper back waking up. Next, let's move on to heel raises to work on your calves and balance. Stand tall near a wall or the back of a chair for light support if you need it, with your feet hip-width apart and toes pointing forward. You can rest your hands on the chair or gently on your hips. Slowly rise up onto your tiptoes, lifting your heels off the floor. Pause at the top for a count of 1 to 2 seconds. You should feel this working in your calves. Then, lower your heels back down slowly. That's 1 rep. Keep your abdominals engaged so you don't arch your back. Try to aim for 10 to 15 slow raises. Exhale as you lift, and inhale as you lower. If full lifts are tough, just rise a few inches. If it feels easy, try rising a little higher or holding the top a bit longer. Heel raises help build calf strength and improve your balance and ankle stability. Engaging your core during this move helps keep you steady. Great job, nice and slow. Now it's time to cool down a bit. Start by slowly marching or walking in place for about 15 seconds to let your heart rate come down. Gently swing your arms as you move. Take some deep breaths. Inhale as you bring both arms overhead, and exhale as you lower your arms back down. Hamstring stretch. Stand tall and reach one arm up. As you exhale, reach down toward your toes. You can bend your knees slightly if you need to. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your legs. Hold this for 10 to 15 seconds, breathing and not bouncing. Then, slowly roll back up. Shoulder and arm, stretch. Reach one arm across your chest and hold it with your other arm, or place your hand on your opposite shoulder. Hold for about 10 seconds on each side to stretch your shoulders. Neck stretch. Tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder and use your right hand to gently press for a deeper stretch. Hold for about 5 seconds, then repeat on the left side. Keep your shoulders down. Now, roll your ankles and shake out your hands. Take a deep inhale one more time, reaching your arms up, and then exhale completely. Well done. Cooling down with stretches like this helps reduce muscle soreness. Fantastic job. You've completed a safe, full-body workout. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're building strength and improving your health one step at a time. Remember to drink a little water and take some rest. We hope you feel energized. These gentle moves will help you maintain your independence and fitness. If anything felt too hard, that's totally okay. Just keep at your own pace next time. Each time gets a little easier. If you enjoyed this routine, please like this video and subscribe for more senior-friendly workouts. Feel free to leave a comment below about how you're feeling or what you'd like to see next. Your support really helps us keep making videos you'll love. Stay strong and take care of yourself. Thanks for working out with us today. See you next time.